In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image take up half of the page on your Weebly website. Whether you're looking to balance your design with text or simply showcase a large photo, this tutorial will guide you through each step. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to Weebly's website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for one. After logging in, you will be directed to your user dashboard. From here, the next step is to navigate to your website's dashboard. You'll see a tab labeled Website at the top of your screen. Click on it and then select Edit Site from the drop-down menu. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be able to customize and modify various elements of your site. Once you're in the editor, look towards the left side of your screen where the sidebar resides. This is essentially your toolbox, filled with many options that help you build and personalize your website. What you want to do next is select Image from this sidebar. Weebly offers different preset layouts, and you're in luck because several of them are designed to cover half of your page. Choose a layout that best suits your needs, and that complements the overall aesthetic you're aiming for. Now you've selected an image layout, but you might want to adjust the size a bit more precisely. Click on the image itself in the layout. You'll notice an option called Sizes. Click this, and an array of adjustable settings will appear, allowing you to tweak the image size according to your preferences. Feel free to play around with these settings until the image fills exactly half of your page. This might take a bit of trial and error, but don't worry. Once you've got it just the way you like it, there's one more crucial step: saving your hard work. Simply click Done, which will close the size adjustment panel, and then don't forget to hit Publish to make sure all the changes you made are live and visible to everyone who visits your site. By doing so, you ensure that your website displays the updated layout with your image beautifully and prominently taking up half of the page. And there you have it, an eye-catching image perfectly placed on your Weebly webpage. Just by following these simple steps, you've added significant visual appeal to your site. If you ever need to adjust, remember, these steps are always there for a quick refresher. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!